Late March, and there's not a lot of fishing time left for these pikes before they have 1 month and a half just to relax and reproduce. So I'm in a bit small cove now again. Been fishing quite good the last long period of time, and I hope to get just a few pikes. I'll be happy today, and if I get them today, I need to tag them and put them in a small cage. We have a project right now where the Danish Technical University are putting small radio senders in the pikes to look where they swim, where they travel. Just pretty interesting stuff. So the pikes I catch today, I will tag them, measure them, weigh them, and put them in a cage. So the Technical University can come down and they can put some radio senders in the fish and look where they swim and look where they travel. It's pretty interesting. I'm going for the small pulse tail trout in the color chop. I think it's an amazing color. The small 15 centimeters. So I hope to get a pike. Just 1 or 2 today, that will be perfect, then I'm happy. So let's see what happens. Oh, there's a big pike standing right in front of me. Ooh, big fish. It's a meter fish. Wow, there was 2 pikes. Oh, the one, 3 pikes. The one followed my lure. Wow, that was a big one. Definitely a mama ready to spawn. She was standing right here in front of the boat. I was just drifting very, very slow over her. And there was actually 3 pikes standing here. Pretty cool. Didn't seem interested in biting, but it's... Oh, we got one. I got one. Pretty cool. We got one. Very, very nice strike. Cool. Let's take this one up. Oof. There's so many pikes in here. The bottom is just exploding everywhere, so I need to stay here, not to spook them. Pretty cool. Cool stuff. Let's get this one in the boat. There we go. Look at this one. Look at this one. Good strike. Fat pike. That's what we like. Yeah, that was cool. 5 cast in a small pocket, and there was just exploding. I see them now still. The bottom is just exploding everywhere, and the temperature is about 9 to 10 degrees, so they found the spawning grounds now. So the reason why I'm fishing this late is because I'm tagging. I have a fish in the net right now, standing here and relaxing, getting oxygen and getting ready so I can put a tag in it. The reason why I fish right now is because of I'm in this project from Danish Technical University where we catch the pike. I will put a tag in this pike I have in the net, a small tag with a number on, and weigh it and scale it, and I will put it in a big cage so the government can come down here and they will actually put a small radio sender inside the pike, and then this pike can swim free after the spawning and everything, and we will the Danish Technical University will follow the fish by these small radio senders inside the fish. They have buoys that covers a big area out here, and the buoys can see where the beeps follow the pike's swim pattern, everything. So I hope to get, yeah, now I got all a pike very soon, 3 casts with this small 15 centimeter chop, very strong strike, you saw it. So let's see if we can get another one, huh? 1 cast more. Yeah, as I said before, I spooked the pike for sure. So now I'm gonna turn off the front engine and drift all the way down to the bottom of this small cove. I have one in the net right now ready for tagging, so I'm gonna go for one more. So turning the front engine off, just putting us in the right direction like this, and now I'm gonna drift all the way down here. Yeah, definitely in spawning mode, getting ready to, at least. But there's a lot of pikes swimming around in here. Oh, yo! That was a strike. Is this the smoked duck? Yeah, take it. Ooh. Big pike. Big pike. That was a meter pike. Just attacking very, very softly and following my bait all the way into the boat. Yeah, interesting for sure. Let's get one. I think when I take the new hot pike on to imitate a small jack pike, I think that will trigger them for sure. Now it's just a small pulse tail trout in chop color, and they follow it and they just take a small bite, but they're not aggressive to it. And with this many pikes around, you need to trigger them for sure. You really need to trigger them, because they're not hungry. They're in this area because of the warmer water and oh, there we go. Ooh. I talk too much. Yeah. So, as I said, changing the game plan. Now I'm gonna imitate a small annoying pike. In this pike, there's a lot of pikes, but I tried tree drift with the pulse tail trout, and I got one. And there's maybe, I don't know how many pikes in here. They're all over. So now I'm gonna take a cast with this hard pike. And guys, cross your fingers. Now I'm gonna really provocate them by jigging it and fast spin and trying different things. I think I can get a strike now. New lure, the pikes are here. Just need to get them provocated. This new bait has a really nice swim action. It's really a perfect new swim bait. Oof! Big one following. Big one. Big one. Ooh! Wow! It's a big one. Oh my God! It was a big one. Over a meter. It was just like looking at this bait nut. Almost like it didn't want to attack. It's a big pike. Really big pike. Whew. Yeah, so not as I expected. So I'm back with the pulse tail trout chop. I took some drift. I had 2 or 3 followers. Again, saw a really big one. But yeah, I think in this area they're tricky. There's a lot of pikes for sure, but you really need to trigger them. So now I changed the hook size to 2-0 triple, because I got some bite on this one, and a really good bite, but they just nibble the bait. So I changed the hook size a bit. I'm gonna take 2 or 3 drift more and call it a day. So I really hope to get just one more pike to save the day. So let's take one more drift. Let's put us in position and just go get that pike. So I'm back to the pulse tail trout chop color, and let's see what happens, guys. It's really cold. The sun is up, but damn, it's cold. It's really still early spring. We're late March now, and damn, it's cold. So if I get one more attack on this one, maybe I can get it by changing the hook size. I changed up a bit in size, and if I get a bite, I hope the pike will sit there. So let's see what happens. Now, often I'm fishing very light setup when I'm fishing. Some don't like it, others do, but I really think you have good contact with the pike, and it's more finesse and longer cast, and I think it's funnier. Yeah. So guys, I succeeded in changing the hook size on the pulse tail trout. That was the plan, and it worked. Oh, I think this is a better one. It's really strong. Oof. That's a good one. This is a good fish. Yeah. Woo, woo, strong and heavy. So, oh, it's a good fish. So I had a lot of bites on this pulse tail trout, and I couldn't get them to stay on the hook. So, it's a good one. So I changed up hook size, and I had one bite, and it's just slammed, and it's on. It's a good fish, solid fish. Love when the plan works. Oof, yeah, and it just inhaled that pulse tail trout. So now I'm gonna get it in the boat and tag it and get it in the cage. Ooh, it's a fat one. Nice. Look at this one. Changing game plan, guys. And it worked. So, here you go. Fat, 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 beautiful pike. On the small pool's tail trout. Look at this lovely system. When they take this lure, just come out of the mouth, and you have it right, the hook's right in the mouth of the fish. So I changed hook size and I got this tank. Look at this fat pike. Now I'm gonna tag it, measure it, weigh it, put it in the cage, so it could be at very good use for the Technical Institute. Perfect. Plan work, guys. So that was the plan for today, guys. Sometimes you need to customize the bait a bit. Today the fishing was, there was a lot of fish. I saw and see a lot of fish, and it was just nibbling a bit. So I thought, why not change the hook size? So I actually just took the pre-rigged pulse tail. I always take the pre-rigged pulse baits coming with the wire and change it to monofilament, always. And I took a size, a bigger triple, and just, yeah, used the same rig and just put on a bigger triple on this trout, and it really worked. I had one bite and the pike is just lying in the net. It's 5.9 kilos and it's 90 centimeters, so it's a good pike. You saw it before. So I just changed, yeah, the hook size in the small pulse tail trout, and this color, I love this color, chop. So yeah, that was the video for this time, and I hope you enjoyed. It was a freezing cold trip, short trip, and I got 2 pikes, and they really are gonna do some use. They're gonna go swimming around with small radio tags inside, and we can follow them, see where they swim, in which areas, and if they come back, and if they go to other areas, and it's really useful. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I would really love if you subscribe my YouTube channel. I will put up a lot of funny stuff, fishing videos, tips and tricks. Here go with the small idea about changing up hook size if you customize your bait. It's a good idea if the pikes are nibbly, change up hook size and you'll get them. So subscribe my YouTube channel, guys, or look at my Facebook page, Predator Guide DK. I will try to put up some funny stuff and tips and tricks for you guys. So thanks for watching, guys.